Hey, it's Justin Brunel with filmora.io. I'm here in Vancouver making an awesome travel video. Follow along with this series and I will teach you everything you need to know. We love watching good vloggers and becoming captivated in their everyday lives. Their lives can sometimes capture and blow what we do with our lives right out of the water. But being a great vlogger is not always a walk in the park. While being yourself and being genuine is the most important lesson here, there's a lot that goes into making a seamless vlog. It must feel natural to the viewer, but it may come about in a not so natural way. Vlogging is when the vlogger takes the audience along for a ride on their day, and the audience gets to see what this person is actually doing in their everyday lives. But there is a lot that you don't see in the vlog. The take after take of mistakes and restarting to get the point across in just the right way. It's actually, largest, not historical sites. No, is it a? Urban parks. Vloggers aren't always perfect. It takes a lot of time to be natural in front of the camera. And for me, I know that it takes me a lot of time to be comfortable and just naturally speak in front of the camera. A lot of things that vloggers say are actually quite planned. It takes me a lot of planning to do this, but sometimes it's just okay to be natural and just talk. I know that I've also been, I'm not perfect either, so I'm gonna finish reading this. You see, mistakes happen. That's the beauty of editing. You can just cut where you want and you can do anything you want. But the point here is just keep things short and concise. That's what you really need to do. People like watching real people, so be real and be genuine. Don't fake your personality. Even if you're planning what you're saying, still be you. Your audience will catch you if you aren't. Am I gonna be caught? Sometimes mistakes can be the best thing that happens to your vlog. They capture you in your most natural moments. For example, I was filming an intro for one of my Mile 30 adventure videos, and I slipped while I was filming an intro on a mountain. And that was a very natural moment for me, and it ended up being a really funny intro to the video. So, if you make a mistake, just keep rolling. Usually something really good comes out of it. Just do it. That's probably one of the most important things here. You just gotta do it. Stop overthinking and get out, take a jump, and just start vlogging. It's really hard to do at the beginning because it's a little bit different from the usual, and especially if you're doing it in public. It is a little bit intimidating because people are looking at you and they're wondering, what are you doing? So just try not to get in your head about it, and really, in 5 seconds, they're not gonna remember you. They don't really care about you and they have their own lives. So just get out and do it. Get a camera and start vlogging. Turn this video off. Well, subscribe and then turn this video off and just get started and have fun with it. Once you finish your vlog, head over to filmora.io and share your video with us. That is your YouTube creator community.